This is a project we're just finishing in Lake Geneva. Oh, Emma, what do you think, buddy? You like it? And we installed... I know, it's pretty cool. We installed a fire table area. We installed outdoor kitchens. These are really nice Lynx Sedona grills. We made 3 different individual stations over here. We did a bar back here with a really cool raised back, so we can put a TV on there eventually. And this is obviously Emma's favorite spot down here. Do you like it, buddy? Oh, be careful. Super happy with how this turned out.